In this video, I will show you how to make your LinkedIn group private. Now, you can make your LinkedIn group private when you're creating it. And at this stage of creating your group, you just need to choose unlisted under group discoverability and go on to complete the process of creating your group. And as you can see, private or unlisted groups do not appear in search results and are not visible to others on the member's profile. And to make an already created group private, you need to go to the group's entity screen, and you can use this information icon to access the entity screen. You can also go to manage group above here, then entity group details, and go on to choose unlisted under group discoverability. And to make your LinkedIn group public again, you also need to access this group entity screen, then choose listed under group discoverability to make your group public. And as you can see, public or listed groups appear in search results and are visible to others on the member's profile. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on LinkedIn and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.